everyone. In another set of objective, the chapter is carbon and its compound. The first question is, which of the following is an example of fossil fuel? Correct answer is natural gas. Most of the fuels are carbon compound with hydrogen. Destructive distillation of coal leads to the formation of ammoniacal liquor. When steam is passed over hot coke, it produces synthesis gas, which is known as water gas. Producer gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen gas. The fractional distillation of coal tar yield benzene. Which of the following is not obtained on fractional distillation of petroleum coal tar? The property of an atom to form a bond with itself is known as catenation. In the hydrocarbon, hydrogen-carbon triple bond, carbon-hydrogen, the covalency of carbon is 4. Which of the following are isomers? Butane and isobutane. Hydrocarbon is a compound containing carbon and hydrogen. Formula of ethane is C2H2. The formula of tetrachloromethane is CCl4. An unsaturated hydrocarbon contains fewer hydrogen atoms than is needed for carbon to have its usual valency of 4. Water gas consists of a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The reaction of 1 mole of bromine with ethene yield dibromoethene. इथाइन है, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा, यहाँ पे सिंगल बॉन्ड एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाता है और ब्रोमीन का एक एक एटम दोनों कार्बन के साथ जुड़ जाता है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गैस इज नोन एज इल्यूमिनेटिंग गैस? इथाइन. The gas used in the welding and cutting of metal. Ethine. Which of the following does not give a positive test with alkaline solution of potassium permanganate? Correct option is C10H22. The process by which smaller molecules combine to give a molecule with high molecular weight is known as polymerization. Which of these is not a fossil fuel? LPG. Which of the following have lowest calorific value? C2H5OH. A gaseous fuel which does not contain carbon monoxide is natural gas. The residue left in destructive distillation of coal is coal tar. The main constituent of LPG is butane. The fraction of petroleum used as jet fuel is kerosene. Coal with largest carbon content is anthracite. The chemical added to LPG to help detect its leakage is ethyl mercaptan. Incomplete combustion of fuel produces carbon monoxide. Which gas is produced when steam is passed over red hot coke? Correct option is water gas. Which of the following are not obtained on fractional distillation of petroleum? कोल टार नहीं मिलता है, पैराफाइन वैक्स, एस्फॉल्ट ये दोनों क्या प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. Which of the following is not true about biogas? Biogas burns without smoke is not true. The lowest temperature at which a combustible substance catches fire, ignition temperature. Coal tar is a mixture of methane, hydrogen and carbon monoxide. The calorific value of wood, bituminous coal, natural gas and charcoal vary in the order natural gas, then charcoal, bituminous and wood. An allotropic form of carbon used for cutting and welding is diamond. The allotropes of carbon, which is a good conductor of heat and electricity, is graphite. The variety of coal having largest carbon content is anthracite. The allotrope of carbon used in nuclear reactor is graphite. Chemistry of carbon compound is known as organic chemistry. Wood charcoal is used in gas mask without it absorb poisonous gas. Compound of carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbon. The first organic substance ever prepared in the laboratory from inorganic compound is urea. The general formula to represent alkenes is CnH2n. The first three members of homologous series are CH4, C2H6, C3H8. The fifth member of this series will be C5H12. Which substance is also known as Mars gas? Methane. Hydrocarbon having double and triple bond is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Methane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. If this reaction is allowed to continue, the end product formed will be carbon tetrachloride. Some element shows the property of existing in two or more distinct physical forms, which shows different physical property but same chemical property. These distinct forms of an element is called allotropes. Crystalline form of carbon having 60 carbon atoms joined together, Buckminster fluorines. Graphite is made artificially when a mixture of sand and coke is heated electrically. The molecular formula of butane is C4H10. Molecular mass of butane is 58. The molecular formula of a methyl group is CH3. Methane is prepared in the laboratory by heating a mixture of sodium acetate and soda lime, a process in which a change is brought by a ferment such as yeast. Enzymes which convert sugar into ethyl alcohol is called fermentation. The property of safe linking of carbon atom is called catenation. Breaking of higher hydrocarbon into lower one by heat is called cracking. Hydrocarbons on burning in the air give carbon dioxide. Water and heat. The carbon atom in diamond are bonded to each other by covalent bond. Identify alkane from the following: C2H6. Which of the following compounds behave as an unsaturated hydrocarbon? Ethene having double bond. Neopentane and isopentane are isomers. What type of reaction occur between ethene and hydrogen? Addition reaction. Which of the following organic compound is used as a fuel? C4H10 butane. Functional group of aldehyde is CHO. Which of the following pair are member of a homologous series? CH3CHO, CH3CH2CHO. Acetylene polymerizes to give benzene. Carboxylic group is present in methanoic acid. The variety of coal used as old house coal is bituminous. Which of the following compound has a double bond? C4H28. The number of isomers of C6H14 is hexane का 5. Complete combustion of hydrocarbon produces carbon dioxide and water. Two neighbors of homologous series differs by CH2 unit. Urea was first organic compound to be synthesized by Wohler. The second homologue of alkyne is C3H4. फर्स्ट क्या होता है C2H2, CH2 उसमें ऐड हो जाता है. Which of the which allotropic form of carbon has a two-dimensional sheet-like structure? Graphite. Layer upon layer होता है. Nature of chemical bonding in graphite is covalent. In graphite, the different layers are held together by van der Waals force. Carbon atoms in diamond are arranged in tetrahedral configuration. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide is neutral oxide. Graphite is used as a lubricant. The laboratory method of preparation of carbon monoxide is heating of formic acid with concentrated sulfuric acid to give water and carbon monoxide. When carbon dioxide passes through sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium carbonate. The correct statement about fluorines is it is an allotrope of carbon. Thank you. Go through the series and prepare for the upcoming exam. Good luck. My next video will be based on the topic MCQ chapter metal and non-metal. It will contain at least 105 to 10 MCQs, which is important also. Thank you. Good luck.